Class 6th History Chapter 2 The Earliest People Part 1 The Early Phases of Human Life. Early humans. Our Earth came into existence about 5 billion years ago. But life on Earth, in the form of plants and animals, appeared much later. So, although Earth came into existence 5 billion years ago, but life appeared much later. The earliest man came about 2 million years ago. So, the earliest man appeared on Earth about 2 million years ago. It took thousands of years for human beings to change and evolve into what they are today. So, it took them thousands of years to change and become what they are today. Stone Age. Till 3000 BC, early humans used stone on a large scale for various purposes. Therefore, this period is known as Stone Age. So, till 3000 BC, stone was widely used by early man for various purposes. Therefore, this age is known as Stone Age. Archaeologists have further divided Stone Age into Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Paleolithic Age. The Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age began roughly around 5 lakh BCE and ended around 10,000 BCE. So it was a long period. During the Old Stone Age, the early humans lived in caves near rivers and lakes. So they used to live in caves. They hunted wild animals and gathered wild berries and fruits. Archaeologists have found a variety of tools from Old Stone Age. These include scrapers, choppers, hand axes, bows and arrows. At the end of Paleolithic period, human beings began to produce cave paintings. So at the end of Paleolithic period, human beings also started painting on the walls of caves. Mesolithic Age. Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age extended from 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. During this period, humans continued to live as hunter-gatherers. In this period also, the early humans were hunter-gatherers. They used to hunt the animal and gather wild fruits, roots, nuts, etc. The climate now became warm and dry. The huge and crude tools of the Old Stone Age or earlier period were replaced by small, sharp, pointed tools called microliths. So, during this period, the huge and crude tools which were used during the Paleolithic Age, they were replaced by smaller size, pointed and sharp tools called microliths. Neolithic Age. The Neolithic Age or the New Stone Age extended roughly from 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE. In this period, the life of early humans changed completely. So in this period, the life of early human was completely changed. They began cultivation and domestication of animals. So they started cultivating crops and domesticating animals. They began to live in settlements. Now, as they started growing crops, so they needed to stay at one place to take care of the crops. So they started living in settlements. Towards the end of Neolithic period, copper metallurgy was introduced. So towards the end of Neolithic period, they started melting copper and making statues and tools out of copper. Use of stone. The early humans were hunter-gatherers. They gathered fruits, nuts, roots, leaves, seeds, and eggs for food and hunted animals. The early humans lived in caves and jungles. They had to protect themselves from wild animals and to gather the food. For both the purposes, they made tools from stone. So in order to protect them from wild animals and to hunt the animals, okay, or to gather the fruits or roots, they used stone tools. They had various stone tools for different purposes, like to cut the meat and bones, chop fruits, scrap bark, animal skin, and roots. There were other tools which were used for chopping wood, firewood, for cutting the wood. Wood was also used to make huts and tools. Now you can see this is a picture of the tools used by prehistoric man. Discovery of fire. The greatest achievement of early humans was the discovery of fire. In the course of time, people discovered that striking two stones could produce fire. As time passed on, people discovered that if two stones were struck together, then they could produce fire. It was an accidental discovery, but a very important one. Though the discovery of fire was accidental, but it was very important. Perhaps it is assumed that perhaps two stones were struck together while shaping a tool. Perhaps they were shaping a tool or making some tool, and for that purpose they struck two stones which created a spark that fell on a heap of dry leaves and caused fire. So how discovery of fire took place? It is assumed that perhaps two stones were struck together in order to shape it into a tool, and it created a spark or produced a spark which fell on heap of dry leaves and caused fire. Uses of fire. Fire had many uses for human beings. It provided them light in the dark. It kept them warm during harsh winters. It was kept burning at the entrance of the caves to scare away the wild animals. So, fire was very much useful to the early men. It provided them light in the dark and it kept them warm during severe winter. It helped them to protect from extreme cold weather. It was kept burning at the entrance of the cave. Early men used to burn fire at the entrance of the cave so that the wild animals might not attack them at night and they will get scared and run away. It was also used to cook meat. They cooked meat because it became softer, tastier, and easy to digest. Now they started cooking meat, which made the meat even more tastier, softer, and easy to digest. Early cave paintings. Cave paintings are the paintings done on cave walls and ceilings. These paintings were made in prehistoric period. Most of the paintings, they represent different scenes of prehistoric life such as hunting, tribal rituals, and ceremonies. So, these paintings show scenes of prehistoric life like hunting and their rituals and ceremonies. The animals were drawn with great detail. They used to draw the animals with great details, but people were stick figures, but they used to draw people as stick figures. They used charcoal, minerals, and natural colors from plants and trees for paintings, and these colors did not fade away. There are over 150 Stone Age paintings sites in India. But the rock shelter of Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is the most fascinating one, and it has also been declared as a World Heritage Site. These cave paintings give a greater insight into the lives of prehistoric people. Through these cave paintings, we come to know about the life of prehistoric people. Change in climate. Due to the melting of the ice sheets, a shift came in the climate about 12,000 years ago. So about 12,000 years ago, the ice caps they melted and there was a change in climate. It began to be relatively warm. Now the climate became comparatively warmer, which led to the development of grasslands in many regions. As a result, many grasslands developed in different regions. Therefore, the animals who depended on grass like deer, sheep, goat, cattle increased in number. So early man began herding and rearing the animals. This period also led to the various grain bearing grasses like barley, rice, and wheat, which could have given the early man the idea of growing them. So, in this period, various grain bearing grasses also grew, like the wheat, rice, and barley, and it gave the idea to the early men of growing them and producing grains.